drama solo. Arakinchile Volker. Omio Kaluni.
Welcome to our channel. If you're preparing to get your motorcycle license in Japan, we're here to help. Together with professional instructors, we provide simple and practical guidance on riding techniques. In this lesson, we will cover the following topics. Mounting the motorcycle. When getting on the bike, always mount from the left side. That's because the side stand is on that side. While holding the front brake with your right hand, check over your right shoulder to make sure no cars are approaching from behind. Then swing your leg over. Once you're on the bike, apply the rear brake immediately to prevent the bike from moving especially, and you will to adjust your mirrors. Riding posture. Start with focusing on your lower body. Squeeze the tank firmly with your knees so your lower body becomes one with the bike. Point your toes straight forward. If your toes are pointing outward, your knees will open up, making the bike unstable. Keep your eyes looking far ahead to maintain balance. Hold the handlebars with relaxed shoulders and keep your elbows slightly bent. Grip lightly, as if holding with the base of your pinky and ring fingers. Be useful fingers to operate both the brake and clutch levers as a basic rule. If you grip the throttle too deeply from the back, the bike might launch unexpectedly. Starting off, to avoid sudden acceleration or tipping over, apply both front and rear brakes. Hold the clutch lever in, and then start the engine. Shift the gear from neutral to first gear, and make sure your left foot stays on the ground, and release the brakes, and hold the throttle steadily. Use the base of your pinky and ring fingers to carefully roll the throttle and keep it steady. You can check the RPM on the gauge and try to hold it around 2,000 to 3,000 RPM. It's okay if the RPM is a little high. What matters is maintaining a smooth and steady throttle. Once you're comfortable, try matching the RPM by sound alone without looking at the gauge. In real situations, there's no time to check the meter every time you take off, and doing so can mess up your balance, so don't rely on it. Once you can hold the throttle steady, start working the clutch. Use the first knuckles of your left fingers to resist the lever as it tries to push back. Gradually and gently let it out. As the bike starts to move and balance itself, hold the clutch there. When the bike gains momentum, put your left foot up onto the step. Stopping. Decide where you want to stop. First, close the throttle. If you're already going slowly, pull in the clutch completely first. Then gradually apply the brakes to come to a stop. If you're going fast, apply the brakes before pulling the clutch, remember this order. Getting off. Shift the gear into neutral and turn off the engine. Always check behind you to make sure it is safe before dismounting. Keep your right hand on the front brake lever throughout the process. This is important, especially on a slope, to prevent the motorcycle from rolling. After dismounting, lower the side stand. You should be familiar with the position of the side stand so that you can operate it without looking down. For example, on this motorcycle, if you move the outside of your right foot along the center stand, your toe will naturally touch the side stand. Make sure the side stand is fully extended and locked. Use your foot to gently tap it and confirm it is secure. Never release your hands from the motorcycle unless the stand is properly engaged. If the motorcycle falls over and a vehicle is approaching from behind, it may result in a serious accident.